Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna explain to you how to cancel your Condor Airlines flight. So basically, if you want to cancel your flight, what you're gonna have to do is simply call their customer support at this number here. And basically what you're gonna have to do is simply either call them at this number here, or you can simply, so if you're from USA and Canada, or if you're from all other countries, you can call them at this number here. And basically you're gonna have to tell them that you want to cancel your flight. Of course, they're gonna ask you some personal information about the flight, your reference number and your first and last name, and then basically they will cancel your flight. Now if you want to get a refund, as you can see, you can get a refund depending on your chosen fare. You may be able to cancel your flight and get a refund for a fee. This may also depend on the airline's zone specifications. So for light rate, all zones no refunds. Classic rate, all zones no refunds, and flex rate you will be refunded less an administration fee, which varies depending on which zone you are flying in. And here you have zone 1, zone 2, zone 3 and 5. So basically here you can pause the video and check the fees. So basically that's all. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.